Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to sign up for Inbox Dollars. We will also put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get a $5 sign up bonus. But if you already have an account, just open the website and you will see an option for Member Login. Click on Member Login. On the pop-up window, enter your email and password. Then click on Login. Once you're logged in, you will see a drop-down arrow at the upper right side of the page. Click on the drop-down arrow. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Account. Click on Account. Under Account Settings, you will see several tabs. Click on Linked Account. So you need to link a PayPal account to redeem your earned dollars. To proceed, click on Link Account. Before you proceed, you need to verify your account via phone verification. On the field provided, enter your mobile phone number, then click on Send Code. Once you receive the code, enter it. Then click on Verify. Now that your mobile number has been verified, click on Continue. You will be directed to this page again. To proceed, click on Link Account. On the pop-up window, you will see an option for Connect with PayPal. Click on Connect with PayPal. Before you proceed, you need to answer a security challenge. Click on the tick box beside I'm not a robot. Now, log into your PayPal account. Next, read the agreement. Then click on the button that says Agree and Connect. To proceed with this request, an additional verification is required. Click on Send Code. Once you receive the code and verified your mobile number, click on Continue. Lastly, re-enter your password. Then click on Continue. After that, your PayPal account will be successfully linked. That's how you link a PayPal account to Inbox Dollars. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.